Hi everyone. For our next writer's workshop, instead of using the comments function as we did for writer's workshop number 1, I want you to use something that is called the bless, address, press method. We promote this method at Kennesaw State in the Kennesaw Mountain Writers Project, and it's been hugely successful. Writers really love it because it gives them sort of the the freedom to choose the type of feedback that they receive. So in this model, bless, when you ask someone to bless your piece, you really don't want to hear all the bad things. Maybe you know that there's a lot of bad things in it, or a lot of things that need fixing, but what you really just need is to hear what's good. You just want someone to tell you something good about that piece of writing. Please help me feel good about it. Tell me what's good. Please bless it. Um, if you ask someone to address the piece of writing, then you're asking them to go a little further and tell you something that you could fix, something that you might need to do differently, some aspect of the writing that you need to address. And then finally, there's the press option. And if you ask someone to press you, then you're asking them to encourage you to step out of your comfort zone, to try something new, to maybe just completely redo a whole section that you really want specific feedback on. So you need to decide when you put your writer's workshop piece number 2 up if you want the piece to be blessed, addressed, or pressed. So that choice is up to you. If you will please mark that choice at the top of your workshop piece. So above the title, write either bless or address or press, or a combination thereof. Maybe you want someone to bless and press, or address and press, or whatever. You get the point. So put up there the type of feedback that you want to receive.